I-echo ko na lahat ng sinabi ni Doc. But, you know, like parang, at the end of the day, tayo nga lang yung may kaya talaga mag-save sa sarili natin, no? Like, we can't really depend on anyone and expect anything in return. But I also want to say that we should start making, we should start caring a bit more. Let's make caring cool again. Magkaroon tayo ng pake. Kasi parang feeling ko, ako, like growing up, may mga kalala ko yung kapag wala silang pake, feeling nila cool yun, di ba? Or kapag may stigma, pag pinabubully, ganyan, feeling nila yun yung cool. Pero feeling ko, nandito tayo sa panahon ngayon na, caring is cool. Caring for others is cool. And through that, we can save each other, we can save more lives. Kasi may mga laban talaga na mahirap labanan mag-isa. And also, like, syempre, tanggalin yung stigma on seeking professional help. Sana walang stigma dyan kasi honestly, forgive my term, pero pag may nagpapaspsych or whatever, baliw. Diba? May ganun sometimes, so nababaliw na siya or whatever. Tanggalin na natin yun kasi tao tayo lahat. Lahat tayo may struggle sa pinagdadaanan sa araw-araw na buhay natin. And may kanya-kanya tayong way of coping and handling these problems. Pero at the end of the day, there's science to it. Pinag-aaralan siya ng mga doktor for years. Much like physical symptoms or mga sakit na physical nga. Pati yung mental health natin, may studies din on it. So, mga professional doctors, mas makakatulong, mas mapapaunawa nila sa atin kung paano natin pa pwede tulungan yung sarili.